Polyester tape is made of polyester film and silicone adhesive. Today, we would like to introduce the polyester tapes applied in producing laminated glass. The green polyester tape is high temperature resistant, and there is no left residue of green polyester tape on glass surface after heating and peeling off. You may use the green polyester tape to mask the edges of pre-laminated glass, and you may use the green polyester tape to fix the pre-laminated glass combinations. With the silicone tubes and green polyester tapes, you may form a vacuuming zone for laminated glass heating. The standard linear length per roll is 66 meters and 33 meters. The standard width per roll is 25 millimeters, 30 millimeters, 35 millimeters, 40 millimeters, and 50 millimeters. Other sizes are available for customization. If you want to order, please don't hesitate to contact us, and you may expect answers in 24 hours. Thanks very much for your watching. Have a good day.